I don't care what nobody say. On that day, we will be in agreement in our theology. For the Muslim will know that Jesus was the Son of God. The atheist will know that Jesus was the Son of God. The Buddhist will know that Jesus is the Son of God. The Hindu will know that Jesus is the Son of God. Everybody that rejected him played church, played conference, ran some other religion, following a false Messiah. They're gonna know that Jesus is the Son of God. We can argue right now about theology. Will be no arguments on that day. On that day, we will know that Christ was the Son of God, is the Son of God, the coming Son of God, the reigning Son of God, the glorious Son of God, the powerful Son of God. Watch this word. The only. Somebody shout, only.